Hello and welcome to Kajabi in 5 minutes. Today, I hope you're having a just bangarang day because I am going to be talking about funnels, and funnels are pretty great. So I've had an episode a while back about funnels, and I think I forgot to mention something to you. So I wanted to just touch that today. And tomorrow, I've got, well, maybe not tomorrow for you, but the next episode, I'm actually talking about something really cool about how you can use funnels again. So a little bit of funnel action coming at you. But anyways, so Kajabi limits the amount of funnels that you can have with your plan. With the basic plan, with the growth plan, you can get 15 funnels. In the basic, it's not coming to my head right now. I think maybe you can only have 3. Actually, I can't remember. And I don't think you get any in the Kickstarter plan. But you know what? You should check that because all I'm remembering right now is the growth plan. That's the plan I use. And you get 15. And so funnels, like everything in Kajabi, you kind of have to experiment with. You want to start one. There's a whole bunch of different templates and you want to just see what they do. And so it's pretty common, in my opinion, to, put a funnel up, see what it does, click a few buttons, push a few dingers, and then delete it because you're like, okay, well, don't really want that. Let's try another one. Let's see what this other one does. Now, the explanations and the little videos that preview all of the different templates, they're pretty great. So for sure, it can help you get an idea, but there is still, something to be said about just starting one up and then seeing what it's like. But you only get 15. So you can't just have a big old list of them and so you have to delete them. Anyways, to the point. All right. So the point of this, when you delete a funnel, all of the funnel pages go into your landing pages. Deleted funnels end up as landing pages. And eventually your landing pages can just get really messy. You go into website pages, landing pages, and you just have a big old list of all these pages that you don't know what they are. And most of the names are the same because usually a funnel will have like an opt-in page or a thank you page, and that's what the page is called. And so if you go into your landing pages and all of a sudden you pop in there and you're like, wait a second, how come I have all of these pages? And this is even more confusing if you have designed them a little bit so that they look kind of like your page. And even more so if you've got a page that's called opt-in page or thank you page that you use. You're like, okay, what's going on? And if you don't know that they transfer the deleted funnel pages go into your landing pages, then this is like a question, like what's going on? And anyways, so how all of those pages, you can just not just, but you have to delete them again. And it's not just pages, but if you open up a funnel that creates an email sequence and you delete your funnel, you should go in and just check all of the areas, delete them all. Forms, email sequences, and pages, and even offers like checkout pages, because the funnel creates all that stuff. And if you don't realize that when you delete the funnel, it doesn't delete the pieces that the funnel's all putting together, then you're going to end up with just a whole bunch of stuff later on. And especially if you don't go into those spaces right away and down the road, you're going in, you're like, what is this? Can I delete it? Can I not? Who knows? So when you delete a funnel, just do a quick check in all the other spots, delete all that stuff, and your life will be easier. So hopefully that helps. And if you didn't know, now you do.